What's happening, YouTube? Bickford's S3 here, and today I got a DIY. I'm gonna replace my level sensor in the front left. It's a cheap one. I got it from Amazon for like $6, 60 bucks, not $6, 60 bucks Canadian. So like, I don't know, 35 American. Alright guys, so apparently it was on time elapse because it's very sensitive, but I got it up in the air and all the bolts loosened. And I don't know if you saw, but my level sensor is actually snapped right in half. I'll actually show you guys right now again. Yeah, see that right there? Hopefully you can see it. So we'll replace that with a cheap one. Hopefully it works. If not, it's about 300 bucks to replace OEM. Hopefully you guys can see this all right. It's first time using this GoPro mounted to my head like this. No, 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 no. Oh, yeah. Crack. Saved it. Kind of on a slant. Okay. Let's see here. There's a little nut on the bottom. And then might actually replace my hat because this is my good hat. It's my Quattro. And I feel like I'm gonna get it dirty. Okay, I'm getting it dirty. Alright, let's get to that. Alright, so it's just a probably like 10 mil there. Here. Sorry. Just kind of feeling my sway bars. Crusty. Alright. It's been acting funny for like a year. It wasn't like this though. Oh, she's like seized. Oh, she's seized. Let's see why it snapped. Cool. Let's find a 10 or something. Maybe a 12. A little bit. What is it, an 8? Oh, it's 10. Oh, Sears. Loud noises. So usually it comes off in one whole piece, but there's half. Oh, hey, how's it going? All right. Oh, did you guys hear that? That was a neck fart. Don't ask me what it is, because I don't know. No, that's 10. It just looks different. Oh, shit. You see what I'm doing? Oh, funny angle. Might need a weeble wobble. I don't have a weeble wobble. And she's coming off. Oh. Getting debris everywhere. Alright, she's off. Pretty straightforward. Let's keep those side by side with that. Hey guys, how's it going? Got it off. Other half. Looks like this part's seized. Oh, it's got a piece of salt in it. Yeah, right. Perks of living in Canada. Let's get up off the floor. That's wicked. Cool. Sorry about the wind, guys. I don't have like super nice mics and stuff. Put that next to the coffee. Take a swig. You gotta stay hydrated, hey? Even though it dehydrates you. Alright, let's try out this bad boy. Lining them up. Yeah, so this piece here is seized. And then this is probably seized as well. And there's a piece of salt in there also jamming it up probably. There you go. See that? Probably. And yeah, it looks like it's the right piece. The grommet's coming off on the back. So hopefully it works. Let's get to her. Did you guys just hear my knees crack? I'm so old. All right, let's get you guys back under the car. Damn it. Put it in there. There we go. Hold it in place a bit. Just make sure that's properly seated up top. Maybe, yeah. Okay. Whatever, yo. Lost all the bolts and nuts. No, it's right there. Got it. Let's put her back together. Ooh, she might need some lube. Let's go grab some stuff to lube it up with. You know what I'm saying? Do you know what I'm saying? Da 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 da. Nope, that's sensor clean. Here we go. We got some crown rust protection and lubricant. Wow. So excited. Okie dokie. Let's do this. Sit. Stay. I'm just gonna move you over here so I don't get like stuff all over here. So much better. You stay. Alrighty. Damn, my hands are greasy. So let's grab it by the edge. Got the new bottom piece bolted up. Just gonna tighten that one up. She looks alright. So this one tight. If I can get my hand in there. I got my phone there for a light, so you can't really turn it, but it's nice and tight. Boom. Hopefully that works. I will be back in a jiffy. Alright, small socket's gone. Let's put this back together. Can't even see me. There we go. I'll clear the code and hopefully no more light on the dash. Do some launch controls, bro. Still can't see me again. It's alright. Always make sure you set your torque wrench back to 0 or else it messes up the spring. FYI, if you didn't know. Oh. Last but not least, don't forget your locking nut, damn it. Alright, so this is what I usually get when I turn it on, if the codes are still there. Suspension fold. What's happening, YouTube? I forgot to plug the sensor back in, so I had all the codes still, but plugged it back in and I'm scanning right now. Nothing popped up on my dash, so that's good. That's got to be good, right? It takes a while to scan, so I'll be back in a minute. All right, I cleared the codes. No codes. Not bad for $60 Amazon sensor, considering the OEMs are like $275, $295, depending on where you get it, and then shipping and all that fun stuff. So I guess it works. I can always let you guys know how, you know, if it fails in the future, but you know, it's working right now. I can go do some launch controls, which I will do. Yes, yes, yes. All right. fucking A. Hey, what's up, yo? S3. Alright, ladies and gents, that concludes my video for today. I changed my shirt. Amazon sensor, A-OK by my books. Working great. I've done like 6 launch controls. And I might have to change the Bigford S3, the name of the YouTube channel. Just because the last week me and the girlfriend went splits on this beautiful, it's so windy, S5. Not bad. Not too bad. Anyways, like I said, that concludes my video for Amazon sensor. Like, subscribe. Lots of wind. Yeah, thanks for watching.